Hi friends, thank you for joining me today. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and that you share, okay? All right, let's get into our book. Grumpy Monkey Play All Day by Suzanne Lang, illustrated by Max Lang. It was a busy afternoon in the jungle. Chimpanzee had to tidy his branch, search for food, clean his teeth, and pick fleas out of his hair. Jim didn't want to do any of that. I kind of like cleaning my branch, said Norman from next door. I don't, said Jim. It's boring. Plus, every time I clean it, it just gets messy again. Ugh, I'm not cleaning anymore. Not even your teeth, asked Norman. Not anything, said Jim. I'm just going to have fun and play all day. And there was lots of fun to be had. You should sing with us, said the birds. Jim had fun singing. You should swing with us, said the monkeys. Jim had fun swinging. You should roll with us, said the zebras. Jim had fun rolling. You should stroll with us, said the peacocks. Jim had fun strolling. Having fun is the best, shouted Jim. But then the others had to stop. We have to clean our nests, said the birds. We need to graze, said the zebras. It's time for our nap, said the monkeys. We're an absolute mess. We must go and preen, said the peacocks. Be boring if you want to, said Jim. I'm going to play with someone else. And there were plenty of animals to play with. You should kick sand. You should catch leaves. You should stomp your feet. You should jump up and down. You should play tag. You should make a splash. You should make funny faces. You should roll a ball. You should laugh. You should chase your own butt. Jim played and played. He was having a great time. But then his tummy rumbled. Maybe we should find some food, suggested Marabou. No, said Jim. Finding food is boring. I'm having fun. Jim tried to play ball, but he was so itchy he kept dropping it. Fleas, said Warthog. Maybe pick them. No, that's boring, said Jim. I'm having fun. Jim jumped up and down, but then he stopped suddenly. Bathroom break? Bullfrog suggested. I don't need a bathroom break, said Jim. I'm having fun. You don't look like you're having much fun, Jim, said the other animals. I am having fun, shouted Jim. And then he fell to the ground. Jim was exhausted. He was hungry. His throat hurt. He was itchy and dirty and cold. Playing all day isn't really all that fun, Jim sighed. Too much of anything can be, well, too much, said Norman. And so Jim did all the things he needed to do. He took a bathroom break. He found bananas to eat and even picked his teeth after. He took a bath and plucked the fleas out of his fur. And finally, he tidied his branch so he could go to sleep. None of it was fun. But Jim felt great afterwards. Well, friends, that was a great story. You know what? Sometimes we don't want to do the things that we need to do. It can be boring. It's not that fun at all. But you know what? We need to make good choices and prioritize. That means we need to do what we need to do so that we can have fun again. Okay? We all go through those moments. So don't forget, make good choices and prioritize. That means do the first thing that you need to do first. Okay? Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for coming to read again with Miss TT. See you next time. Bye.